Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another quick tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can sign into your user account automatically on startup in Windows instead of having to enter your password every single time. And before we get into this, I just want to ask, if this video does help you today, please consider leaving a super thanks or just engaging in the video in any way, as it really helps me out. But let's get right into this. To do this, you're going to want to hit the Windows key and R to bring up the run screen, and you can type in Control user passwords 2 to bring this screen up, but you can also type in netplwiz like that, which is shorter, so we'll do that, and that'll bring up this screen for you, which will show all of your user accounts. This is the one I use, which is my account, Trent, and you'll see this little button up here that says users must enter a username and password to use this computer, which is basically what's preventing me from just logging on automatically right now. So make sure you select the account you want. So I'm going to select Trent, uncheck this box, hit the apply button, and you're going to have to type your password in to confirm this. And boom. Now I no longer have to sign in. So if you sign out and then try to sign back in, or sorry, if you restart your computer, it will automatically take you to the start screen now. And if you want to disable it, you can basically do the exact same thing. I'm going to hit this box, hit apply, and you don't have to enter your password to do this. And boom. Anyways, guys, if this video helped you, you know what to do. Peace.